a little better. What is up, everybody? Hey, I'm out on the pond today. I was trying to find a place where the wind wouldn't be affecting me too much. It's supposed to be 10 to 15 mile an hour winds here and there today. I'll have to fish some places where I can just drift down and fish and then paddle back up and drift. I'm in the little tamarack today on the pond in Donaldson. I'm hoping that the bass are getting a little more active. We've had a few warm days. Surface temp is up a little bit on the water. We're gonna see what we can find, but I'm gonna fish for bass and crappie today. I got two things. Got the snacky swimmer tied on, I got a spinnerbait tied on, and what's up? Oh yeah, I got a jig tied on. I don't usually throw a jig here, but we're gonna give it a try. See how we do. Let's get it. All right, here we go. I think I might throw the spinnerbait first. Not really sure what to start off with. Just got a little chartreuse and orange, no trailer on it. Wait a minute, do I have a trailer? No, no trailer. Something's wrong though already. All wrapped weird. Oh, put one of these clip things on. I don't know if y'all have ever used these things before. It's like a quick clip, and I don't think I'm going to be able to use that with the spinnerbait, but we'll try and see. I don't know if it'll stay in the right place. You know, it may move too much. I'll throw it a few times and see what happens. Well, looks like it's moving okay. We'll see. Oh, by the way, and it is hot compared to what it has been lately out here. It is probably mid-70s almost by now. It's gonna be beautiful all day. Oh man, I told y'all I'm hitting every branch today. And so far I've been lucky, and I haven't lost anything. Well, I haven't gotten hung up. Not too long anyway. This is more of a kind of a purplish on top, kind of silverish on the bottom. I don't know if it matters today, but I've thrown a jig, I've thrown a spinnerbait a little bit, and then now changing over to snacky. We'll see if it makes a difference or not. There we go. Finally. Got me a little crappie. Finally. Sheesh, man, it has been hours. First real bite. He just barely tapped it. He is smaller than he looks, I promise. But it's a crappie and it's a fish and it counts. Alright, let's get it. I just drifted into this big tree. I've been over here before. I just don't always hit it like this and just drop it straight down. I hardly ever do that. So we're gonna stay at it, see if we can get another one down here. go. Oh, that's a decent one. Oh, no, it's not. But it's another crappie. Here we go. Easy, buddy. Easy. Well, that's two, but it has been a struggle, y'all. It has been a struggle. Got both of them in the almost the exact same spot. Another tiny one. But it's a crappie. All right. Bite me. Just had one on. Dang, they're being picky today. There we go. Okay, third tiny crappie of the day. Man, they are being picky too. I'm telling you. They are being finicky. That's the third one. I almost yanked him up into the kayak. He hit it so quick, I was just like, oh, kind of close, and it just yanked him right up out of the water. I've caught two right here at this tree. So, I mean, they're here. It's just a matter of getting them to bite. See if I can get right by this log. You can see it in the water. I'll lay down, maybe there's one hanging out by it. Oh, he had it. Unless it rolled up over a log, I had one. Dang it. He didn't hit it, he just kind of grabbed it. Ah, crap. That's a little better. All right, finally. So that's number 4. These are all dinks, man. These are all dinks. Dang it. I mean, I'm happy I caught one. Just want some size, baby. Well, guys, I'm going to wrap it up right here. It's been a good day. Like I said, no big ones, but we had got 4, and we're going to stay at it. Man, that sun it feels good, but it's frying me. But we're going to end it up right here. I'm going to get back out here, put the kayak, roll it up the hill, which is always a chore, and get it done. So I've got a lot of time this week. I plan on fishing quite a bit. So I'll see you out there on the water.